She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I get smoked already so hard in my blunt is. I see guys' pretty faces, so I got trouble trusting. But I let my guard down for you. Said I'll put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. She said, take your time, what's the rush?
Got an attitude, what you better say, so I ain't mad at you. For sure.
Good morning. Today is Wednesday. I'm just now starting to get my life together. Well, no, not really. Hold on. We need some light and I need my mic. Okay, I hope that's better. We only gonna be in here just a second. I really hope that y'all can hear me. On the mic, I did not even do a test run. But this is my first time using it, so hopefully y'all can hear me. But I've been up since this morning. I got up at 6:30-ish and I scrolled for a little bit until like 6:45, and then I went outside and I did my Pilates workout, and then I read my Bible chapter for the day, which was Deuteronomy 25, and it was a lot going on in Deuteronomy 25. Go read about it. So after I did that, my kids started waking up, so I started tending to them, and I just started getting like straightened up around the living room a little bit, and then I went. What did I do after that? Oh, and then I just finished my skincare. And then what I did, I finished recently, I just made my protein shake for the day. Why I didn't record it for YouTube, I don't know. But if you follow me on TikTok, you'll be able to see that. I don't know if it's this week or next week. I think you'll be able to see it next week. But it's just going to be like a little cute little protein shake video. So I look very raggedy today. My day starting out, I look raggedy. I'm waiting on my Amazon packages to get here because I have haircut. Hold on. You can't do nothing with children around. I have Amazon packages coming today that have my hair in it, that has the stuff for me to do my hair. So while we're waiting on Amazon to get here, I need to prep my real hair. So I need to wash my hair. I need to blow dry my hair out. I need to braid it down so that I can put the next wig on, because I need to film that wig install ASAP. So, and I need my hair done and I need my nails done, and my nails are coming in the mail too. So I just got a notification from Amazon, and they said that my package should be here between 12:45 and 4:45. I'm really praying to God that it comes like at the 12:45, 1 o'clock, 1:30, 1:45 mark, so that I can have it early in the day so that I can get that recording out the way. But I'm not gonna stress about it. I'm just gonna move on to the other things that I need to do, because right now it's 10:26 and then I have other work to do. So my to-do list, what is on my to-do list today? I've been having to remind myself, because I'll start doing all types of other stuff. Yes, so I have to wash and braid my hair, and then I have to take out Classic's hair and wash her hair. I have to install my wig when it gets here. I have to take a new headshot, because I've been signing up for these creator platforms and filling out for and applying for grants and stuff like that for my business, and a lot of them want a headshot. So I just want a little cute updated headshot, so I need to take that today. And then I need to batch content. I need to make 3 TikToks, a post and a reel for Instagram, and then I need to vlog for YouTube. So, and then I need to respond to some emails, and then I need to add products, like add the product descriptions to my website store, and then I need to log my passion project that I'm working on this week. So I'm gonna just take you with me through the day to let you see how I balance different things that I do throughout my day, whether it's my hair or working. It's just a Wednesday. Get in, loser. Let's Wednesday.
Yeah. Hey. Hey. Yeah. Tell him, bro. Yeah. I'm staring in the mirror at the only one I trust. Been down on my luck, so when you see me now I'm up. I'm fresh up out that mud, I'm a diamond in the rough. So when you see me shining now, know it's anything but luck. I'm looking in the mirror at the only one I fuck with. I've been held me down, so when you see me now I'm up. I'm fresh up out that mud, I'm a diamond in the rough. So when you see me shining now, know it's anything but luck. It's anything but
diamond in the rough, yeah, we had it tough, yeah, we had the pressure and the pressure done its stuff. Oh, I'm not flexing when I'm brushing off the dust, no. All this pain and the tears made my shoulders rust. In this life, gotta do what you must, build your value up, gotta earn trust, avoid fuss. Maybe you don't know the facts, you don't know enough. You can judge me all you want, cause every day I send love. Every day I do me, makes me wanna see you.
Okay, so I posted my TikTok on time. What kind of on time? I posted it.
Used made a mess, keep up with a jet. I'm about to catch, I double the bed. I'm in the stretch, from south to the west. Always the best, get home with a check. He done fucked up, put some dough on his head. Gave me that, done left the nut on the list. Running catch up like a motherfucking tread. Yeah, nigga fucked up tryna hide it. Jump on the stick on the side of switch. Call up a little pretty vibe, pull up and let her massage the dick. Oh, that you knew why, we whipping and swerving all kind of shit. Whipping and running, my little nigga pulling up.
Okay, so update. My hair came at like 3 o'clock, but I had so much other stuff to do and I'm looking crazy right now, but I'm about to start installing my hair. But right now it is 10:27 and I'm about to put my wig in on. And I have to make TikToks too. So, oh, and I finally got my mic to work. So that's a bonus. So let's get some.
Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit the FBO with duffels in my hands. I did half a Zan, 13 hours till I land. Had me out like a light, ayy, like a light, ayy, like a light, ayy. Slept through the flight, ayy, not for the night, ayy. 767, man, this shit got double bedroom, man. I still got scores to settle, man. I crept down the block, made a right, yeah. Cut the lights, yeah, pay the price, yeah. Niggas think it's sweet. On sight, yeah, nothing nice, yeah. Vegas in my ice, Jesus Christ, yeah. Checks over stripes, yeah. That's what I like, that's what we like. Lost my respect, you not a threat. When I shoot my shot, that shit wetty like on Shaq. See the shots that I took, wet like on Book, wet like on Lizzie. I be spinning valley circle blocks till I'm busy. Like where is he? No one seen him, tryna clean him. She's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit the FBO with duffels in my hands. I did half a Zan, 13 hours till I land. Had me out like a light, 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 like a light.
I wanna go where nobody's
Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, oh you speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hint now. I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, and you know I'm with the gang right now. You say, do I wanna watch, do I know what time it is right now? Yeah. It's after 2 a.m. and that's asking a lot of you right now. All she talking about is come and see me for once, come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me, you don't ever come to me. All she ever said is come and see me for once, come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me, you don't ever come to me. I've been up for 2 whole days thinking what I did to keep you going. Coming through the voicemails that you left me, telling me where I went wrong. I'll admit I'm sorry when I feel I'm truly sorry. Things change, people change, feelings change too. Never thought the circumstances would have changed you. You said you never traded, no. And I believed you when they told me don't. But either way, you're still invited and I can't even love you. Swear these days all you say is come and see me for once, come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me, you don't ever come to me. All she ever is
fucking with me is this bitch, okay. He said he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be
high volume, high volume, high volume.
Okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes me looking okay. She think that she's fucking with me, is this bitch, okay. He said he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch, okay. Down south bad bitch, discreet shit so ratchet. Call me JT, aka the soul snatcher. Okay. I'm with a booster, a scholar, and a pole dancer. Pussy nigga call my phone, he won't get no answer. Fuck these niggas, and fuck these hoes too. You can't fuck with me, fuck what a bitch told you. Sexy black motherfucker, yeah. Name on the wood, I'm watching Jimmy Butler. Since I came home, I've been killing every summer. That real boss bitch, and I started as a runner. Titties and pretty, and I'm looking like a snack. 40-inch bust down, you know that bitch black. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes me looking okay. She think that she's fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes me looking okay. She think that she's fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around,
I wanna be with you, ay. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you, ay. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Me, just love me. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still love me? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still love me? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to love me. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. I got something. Hold up. We gon' function, no assumption. Feeling like Tyson with it. Look at how Tyson with it. Only for the night, I'm kidding. Only for life, yeah, only for life, yeah, only for life. Let's get it. Hit that shoulder, me. I know what coming over me. Backstroke overseas. I know what you need. Already on 10, all money come in. All feeling go out. This feeling don't drought. This party won't end. If I didn't ride blade on her, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing.
Wise up. Look. What they talking about? They talking about none. 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 Huh? They ain't talking about none. Aye. What they talking about? They talking about none. 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 Huh? They ain't talking about none. Peekaboo, I just put them bookers in my chain. Peekaboo, 80 pointers like a Kobe game. Peekaboo, 7.62s, I make them plain. Peekaboo, pop popping out, you better smell my name. Peekaboo, put 2 foreigns on the 405. Peekaboo, catchy pepper here from doing pasta. Peekaboo, why you acting tough on IG Live? Peekaboo, you know my little niggas off they rocker. Peekaboo, surprise, bitch, it's that nigga chicken cheese. Peekaboo, let me FaceTime my op, bitch, I'm up the street. Peekaboo, yes, AG's, I'm putting something to sleep. Peekaboo, he on the ground, I praise God and start stumping feet. Peekaboo, I put 10 on his face, bitch, my shooter playing. Peekaboo, I hit it from the back, I told her move her hand. Peekaboo, and saw my thumb in where her at. Peekaboo, on your top, I'm with God, bitch, don't look back.
What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. Huh? They ain't talking about nothing. Hey, that's my bitch. Hey, that's my bitch. Hey, with all that fake shit. Hey, ain't the one to play with. Hey, pull off in a lamb, double pocket all that tams. Mister, get off on your mans. If he hate you disrespect, you better follow up with hands. Losses to the neck, but now I'm trophied up, I'm saying like, bing, bop, boom, 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 bop.